Hey guys, welcome to my vlog, day 2. I am not having a good time mentally. I am trying to get through it. So get ready with me to go bowling with my coworkers. Sorry about the new eyelashes, but my eyes look really pretty right now. I'm pretty with it. Alright. Welcome. I'm about to get ready. Oh, I feel like shit and I feel like I look like shit. I'm still on my period, so this is why I'm feeling this way. Let me see if I can put a light on so I can record better. Okay guys, sorry. My boyfriend called me and we were on the phone for a little bit after I stopped crying. So I'm officially on my way to go bowling. Sorry I couldn't film the get ready with me. More important things to do, obviously. But I will give you guys a fit check when I get there. And yeah, let me drive now. Bye. I just want to say, bro, like, driving in Florida is insane, by the way. Like, I have somewhere to be. I'm really late. I'm like almost 45 minutes late to what I'm supposed to be. I'm going bowling, as y'all know. And there's people, like, I get y'all want to do the speed limit, but, like, let's not do the speed limit on a 1-lane road, because now I have 6 fucking cars behind my ass. 6 cars, probably. And this guy is, like, kind of swerving around, and he's going the speed limit. Like, dog, it's Florida. It's Florida. Go faster. Yeah, I'm still driving, like 20 minutes away now than 30. I could be there sooner, you know what I mean? But, it's gonna be okay though. We're listening to my music. It's gonna be okay. Okay. Oh, I'm literally going 30. I'm going 30 miles an hour in 45. Don't you love that? Don't you love that? Alright, so we just got here. Main event. I'm just in line because, hi! You're so me vlogging. Ah! Anyway, we're here to bowl.
For Taylor's birthday. And Scarlett's here.
Yes, for them. Yes. Well, I'll record more when we get in there. I'm just waiting in line to get my shoes, so. My guy, I just recorded everything, didn't get shit. So, how big is your pound ball?
It's 6 pounds above.
6 pounds above. Take 2. How big is your pound ball? 10 pounds? Oh, she kissed the microphone. How heavy is your ball?
How heavy is what?
How heavy is your ball?
14.
How heavy is your ball, bro?
Like 2 of them?
Okay. Yeah. How heavy is your ball?
8.
How heavy are your balls,
At like 10, 11.
Damn. I didn't get anything on recording. I didn't get anything on recording because the mic was off.
Why are you this person?
Faith, I didn't get the recording because I never turned the mic on.
So all that's
gone. Deleted.
was gone.
Deleted.
So sad. So tragic.
Anyway, so how heavy are your balls tonight?
They're pretty heavy, you know. I've been killing it this whole time. I don't want to brag too much, you know.
All right, what are we at? What points are we at?
We're at 10 points right now, so I don't want to.
10 points. Yeah. How many points are you at? 16? That's it? I think so.
Oh, damn. I thought I was doing better.
You're 16? Oh shit, bro.
Today's birthday. I've known her since 2018. She's a wonderful young lady. And just want to do extra cheers for her. Cheers.
Oh, do it.
Well, vloggy.
Do it. ASMR. We're at main event. We did Beat Saber. I won at bowling.
I'm not doing it. I'm gonna go find something else.
Do it. You're gonna kill it.
Anyway, follow me, guys. We're gonna go find a gamesy. In the natural habitat. In the natural habitat. Wait, is it? I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. That was a workout. 8 to 48. How do you feel?
Honestly, kind of pumpy.
Oh, the guy next to us stole my fucking ball, bro, and started fucking 2v2. Yeah, fuck you. If you see the ship, she's doing it for us, guys. She's doing it. How do you feel? I'm scared. We're trying to get Mr. Krabs or Patrick over there. She's fucking eating. Oh my gosh. Okay.
See if I pass that other coin.
Oh, which one? Oh, you got coins. Yeah. Alright, we are leaving. We're going to a bar. I'm sober right now, so I'm not drinking. But if anyone needs a DD, I will be there. Most of these people work tomorrow, so can you too late? But yeah. Alright guys, so actually I'm not staying for the bar because I'm tired and I'm starving and I'm on a cut and I'm not drinking right now, so this is what I've got to rely on. I have 30 minutes till I get home and then I'm gonna cook my protein meal and go lay down and watch some Love Island USA because why the freak not. But yeah, I'll probably record my food and then I'll end this, I guess. So yeah, thanks if you've stayed so far and watched. I can't believe that guy freaking took my basketball and started playing with me, which I mean, like, it's not necessarily like I mind or whatever, but still, I said no. I said no, and he still kept going. This is why we choose the bear. The bear. Anyway, I'm gonna go drive now. Bye. Okay guys, I am home. I just ate, so I'm officially going to bed now to watch some Love Island as well. So if you guys enjoyed watching, please leave a like and subscribe and comment if you have an idea of what I should vlog next. Bye.